Alright, gonna do something different today. It ain't out of the pot belly or some other stuff. It's gonna be basically guys from what was it, 2020, 2021, a lot of firearms, a lot of people want to defend themselves. The shortage of ammunition. So I got me something. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a model M206 revolver from Rock Island Arms. Six shots, snub nose revolver. Okay, it's pretty nice. This is my first handgun that's modern. I did have an old pocket carry 32, and it was the short Colt 32. Very hard to find. So I bought this. These grips come with the gun. Okay? The ones that come on the gun are wood grips. If you look at that sight right there, it's just a fixed sight, ain't going nowhere. It's double action. A hair trigger right there. Double action. It's a real good gun. I think I paid $280 for that gun. And I just wanted something to, just in case, hopefully it never happens, in a life or death situation. Personal protection, home protection. I mean, I got a shotgun, yeah, but I can't get around tight corners well with a 36-inch barrel. With this, I can. Just in case, I thought maybe someone's in the house that he's supposed to be. But, yeah. Model. Let's see if I can get in there. Model 206. And they do have a model 200 as well. The difference is the 206 is a snub nose, where the M200 Rock Island revolver has a 4-inch barrel. And this is the revolver that I've chosen to have and to get. I took it to my CPL class and did the range with this weapon. And I thought it kind of sucked, and I thought I was being kind of cheated because every other classmate was reloading the mags for the semi-automatics. I was the only one in class that had a revolver. So the instructor told me to take the revolver ammunition, put it by my feet. As soon as I get done with the 6 shots, I reload the casings, put new bullets in. Every time someone would shoot, they're 9mm, the casings would hit me in the head. So, but yeah, I've shot 52 rounds through this gun, and it is an accurate weapon. 38 special. I don't know why my friend keeps on saying, "Oh, okay, Bob, buy a 9mm." Well, maybe in the future, but I always heard 9mm, and that, damn, I sure the hell don't want to be trying on jam a weapon. It's all hell breaks loose. Revolver? They said, well, what happens if you pull the trigger and you got a dud? Well, you pull the trigger again. The wheel turns around, or the cylinder turns, and goes right to the next bullet. And revolver's been around for hundreds of years, so that's why I probably went to a revolver. It weighs about 25 ounces. It's a little heavier gun than most. Like the C9, a high point, 9mm. That weighs 29 ounces. I don't know if that's fully loaded or empty. The 45 ACP, high point, weighs a staggering 39 ounces. Imagine wearing that brick on your hip. So if you need hip surgery in the future, you know why. But I just wanted to show you. It ain't the Smith & Wesson, or one of these $1,000 guns or whatever, but it's what I've chose. And go to some gun shows, and you got a guy that got the 500 Magnum for sale, and he'll tell you, oh, well, how much is your life worth? To me, it depends. How reliable is the revolver or the handgun that you have chosen? This is not a $2,000 gun. It cost me about $280. What I personally rely on this weapon to save my life? Yes, I would. As I shot it, it's proven itself. I don't need a $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 weapon. This right here is just fine with me. A lot of people make fun of the high point pistols, and I'll tell you why. I'm buying one, C9. I heard maybe later on this year they're making an update to the C9. It's called the YC9, 9mm. The reason I purchased one is in 1992, they were founded right here in Flint, Michigan. They were made right here. So that's why I would buy a C9. Just to say, I got it, boom, boom. I'm not saying that's going to be my primary gun, but it would work for me. They say the high point was made for it's cheaper, it's this, it's that. Well, not all people can afford a $500 gun. Not everyone can afford a $280 revolver. But people can afford about $1 to $170 and get a high point. They got great service on their guarantees and warranties and repairs. One of the best. Something happens at High Point, they will fix it or replace it for free. So thank you for your time on looking at my gun and my speech or whatever you want to call it. Thank you for your time. Peace.